Alright guys, here's why you shouldn't wear baggy clothes when you're grinding. Oh, imagine if you were wearing that, guys. See, if you was wearing that, guys, that would bloody hurt at least. You know, that's going to wrap up in yourself. It's going to probably cut all your flesh up. So, guys, wear proper clothing. Wear some proper overalls. Or at least be bloody careful. Alright, guys, hope you liked this video. If you did, give us a thumbs up, subscribe, smash that bell button, guys. More great stuff coming up soon. Alright guys, see you soon.